This is lesson 4-7. It's about solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So to start off with, this is the quadratic formula. When you use the quadratic formula, you take the coefficients a, b, and c from your standard form equation and you plug them into this formula, and this formula will calculate your solutions for x. So here we have a little song to help you learn the quadratic formula.
Good job, Emily. What about the x equals?
X equals negative.
Uh-huh.
X equals negative. Plus or minus square root. B squared minus 4ac. I want you.
So that's the kind of excitement we like to generate in math class. All right, so here we have some problems for you to solve. So first thing you have to do is put your equation in standard form. So we're going to have to subtract the 4 on both sides so that the equation equals 0. From here, we can determine that a equals 2, right there. B equals -1 from the term that or the coefficient on x, and c equals -4. That's the constant term. So plugging that into the quadratic formula, which is -b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we have a -b and b is already negative, that turns it to a positive. Then we have plus or minus b squared, so -1 squared, minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. All right, so now we calculate, starting inside the radical. So -1 squared is +1. 4 times 2 times 4 is 32. Since we have two negatives here, that's going to be plus 32. So we're looking for the square root of 33. Since 33 is not a perfect square, we're going to leave our answer in radical form. So we end up with x equals 1 plus the square root of 33 divided by 4. And we also have x equals 1 minus the square root of 33 over 4. So if you wanted to put these into decimal form, you can put that in your calculator. This first one comes out to 1.69, and the second one comes out to -1.19. In our second example here, we're going to have x equals -b, so that's -6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's 6 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 9, all over 2 times a, which is 1. So if we do the math, 6 squared is 36, 4 times 1 times 9 is 36, 1 negative makes it negative, 36 minus 36 is 0, and the square root of 0 is 0. So in this case, we end up getting only one answer because -6 plus 0 is the same as -6 minus 0. So we just have -6 divided by 2 is -3, just one solution. All right, and we will talk about the discriminant in the next video.